Kani gadega Patisi TV, bat pidang pej yaki kubor baman kasni.
Ki noyalam jaga BJP Meghalaya State Unit habekren hagilat pathai kubor henne kasngi ka arpu pratrik unailar arajar kanyo kila pentip ba Arngut ki MLA na Jaiñtia Hills kila lej Pynïasoh iladi syakaseng BJP ha ka arpu pratrik unailar arajar kanyo ha Nongbah New Delhi bat kita ki MLA kilong uba Justin Dekhar MLA Kleriat bat uba Robinus Singkon MLA Mukayau. Hakani kasngi laidan lang u National President jaga BJP u Amit Shah u Himanta Biswa Sarma Finance Secretary ka Sarkar Assam u Nalin Kohli bat u State President ka Jila Meghalaya u ba Shibun Lingdo nalor kiwei kinoyalam ki bakanthop yo Thomas Nongtudu bat u Rolling Sun Dekhar ki rerong ba papau khmat narilum Jaiñtia nakaliang u ba JA Lingdo ulai thuru Bashen sau ba Stephenson Mukhim u bade MLA ka Amlarem constituency un sa Pynïasoh iladi bat ka party BJP.
I just want to inform in the form of press release that the BJP Meghalaya State leadership would like to communicate that two sitting MLAs from Jaiñtia Hills have joined the party today, the 28th August 2017 at New Delhi, national capital. And those are Mr. Justin Dekhar and Mr. Robinus Singkon in the presence of Shri Amit Shah, National President, and Shri Himanta Biswa Sarmaji, Honorable Finance Ministers of Assam, and State Prabhari Shri Nalin Kohli, and State President Shri Shibun Lingdo, besides other state leaders, and Shri Thomas Nongtudu, well-known businessman from Jaiñtia Hills, and Shri Rolling Dekhar, a prominent businessman also from Jaiñtia Hills. Joining of these two leaders will definitely give huge boost up to the party in the ensuing general elections 2018, not only in Jaiñtia Hills but in the entire state of Meghalaya. The last General Assembly elections in many states has shown that people has already favored the BJP party, so also it will happen here in Meghalaya. The general public has already made up their mind that BJP is the only option in this coming election. And this will happen because of the main slogan of our Honorable Prime Minister, Sabka Saath, Sabka Vikas. We from the state Meghalaya BJP, we can assure the people of Meghalaya that overall development of the state will take place only if BJP is voted to power in the next coming election. And a free corruption government also is ensured.